Hello YouTube. It's March 14th, 2020, and in the midst of the coronavirus misinformation, people are making runs on supplies that they feel will be in short supply if there's a mandatory 30-day quarantine put in place, hand sanitizer and toilet paper in particular. While I won't show you how to make toilet paper, I will show you how to make hand sanitizer. Stay tuned after the intro. Keep in mind the normal best practices for hygiene apply in this situation, and you should be washing your hands frequently during the day anyway. Make sure you use hot water and sing happy birthday to yourself to ensure you wash long enough. 30 seconds is recommended. You could also sing the entire intro to Star Trek. I'm not sponsored, nor will I assure you that if you make this formula and use it, that you won't get sick, the coronavirus, or any illness for that matter. To begin, you're going to need the following while they're still available. 2/3 cup of 90% or higher rubbing alcohol, also known as isopropyl alcohol, and note the alcohol content in any hand sanitizer product should contain at least 70% alcohol. The reason you don't want to just use normal isopropyl alcohol without other ingredients is that it will dry out your skin and cause it to crack. Also worth noting, most rubbing alcohol is watered down and may not be above the recommended 70%. Just check the label. Next, you're going to need 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. And finally, 8 to 10 drops of essential oil. Options such as lavender, vanilla, peppermint, or grapefruit will work. I don't like the perfume smell of most off-the-shelf brands, so I went with peppermint. Some of the aloe gel already has some vitamin E or other skin softeners in it as well. Just check the bottle. A side note about peppermint oil. Add a few drops to a squirt bottle and spray it around your house or boat to keep spiders away. I do this and it works. For my boat, I add a few more drops than for the house to make it more concentrated. And as always, check it in a small area if you're worried about stains. All right, let's get started. Place all the ingredients into a bowl. The order you put them in doesn't matter. Stir well with a spoon. Once the items are mixed well, you can use a funnel to pour contents into any container. You can buy cheap dispenser bottles at the dollar store or from Amazon. That's it. Use it as needed, and remember, it's only a replacement for when soap is not available. Soap is much better for washing your hands and getting rid of germs than hand sanitizer, but at least this gives you an option if you can't find soap and water. Thanks for watching. Place all the ingredients into a bowl. The order doesn't matter. Stir well with a spoon. That's it. Once the items are mixed well, put the funnel to pour the contents into the container. You can buy cheap quart bottles at the dollar store or from Amazon. I bought a few and I put all the items that I'm using in this video in the description below. So take a look. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.